Hey everybody, this is Peter Palmiotti, and this is day 55 of my 100 days working on my THEE100s Anthology story. And pretty much today I finish off the logo. So I have story and art, Peter Palmiotti. I'm going to cover up the story and art part, um, and probably even grab a better signature from some other piece and stick it there in the final page. But eh, you know, I'm not that much of a letterer. Don't have the patience for it. And you would expect somebody who has so much patience for detail. Um, but yeah, lettering is hit or miss sometimes. But I really didn't plan it out, so it is. It wasn't good enough. So, um, but okay. So what should I talk about today? Put in my 30 minutes. I got the camera angle better. Hope you like it the way it is. Think I'm going to just do it this way. Using the new video editor and pretty much kept it simple. I do want to do more extravagant edits, but I figure I'll catch up first before I get into that. Yeah, I mean, I already recorded tomorrow's day, which I sort of pencil more to page it as I go. So it'll be just flipping back and forth between penciling and inking. Um, I'm not being very precious. I'm just getting the job done. How do you feel about the way you're doing it? It's like I remember early in my career, I was really particular about um, you know, inking a page, the way I approach inking a page. Sometimes I go in and block out the black areas and fill those all in first. This had more to do with when I got original pencils, of course. This way, I wouldn't be smudging a lot of that across the page. And then I would, go in big chunky lines and then small detail, keeping everything precise. More than likely, I would start from the bottom right and work my way up. And that's because I'm a lefty. I imagine if I was a righty, I would start from the bottom left. Um, start from the bottom. Um, Less smudge as I work my way upwards. But it's really here nor there. Um, it's whatever works best for you. Um, with this, I'm penciling and inking, and like I said, I'm not too precious about planning everything and putting every line down in pencils. It's more a general guideline for me to follow. Um, and yeah, so far, it's like page one. I haven't made that much progress, but it is day 55. And my voice is going. Ah. Um, and yeah, so far so good. I figure worst case scenario, technically we have to be done the 10th of April, which is one day after my birthday. Damn you. Which means I'll probably want to complete my 4 pages and formatting and everything before then. Um, so what do I do the rest of my 100 days if I complete before then? I know a lot of people, excuse me, a lot of people will be finished before their 100 days are up. So I guess, it'll give us opportunities to talk about other things and show off other things. But yeah, I hope you like the progress I'm making. And, the worst of my editing computer and program troubles should be behind me. Fingers crossed. That's pretty much it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what you're up to in the comment section. All right. Take care, everyone. Be productive.